iPad is a great tool for note taking, but a lot of people just stick with the Notes app, which is built in and it works. But there is also the Pages app. So, what is the difference and how can you use the Pages for note taking? Right, so you at first need to understand the difference because the Notes app on the iPad works in a sense that it's pageless and infinite, right? So you can just keep on adding more and more, and you can just keep going down and just like adding, more text, and it will never practically end. However, the Pages works on, as you can guess, page basis. So essentially, this is much better because you can organize it into a view of individual pages. You can also just view a, like a thumbnails, right? So you can also just make that appear and you can jump in between the pages, and you can also use some advanced features like page breaks and section breaks and stuff, right? You can also just number everything, like every page might get a number for you. So you can see that it's just much more organized and much more professional. This is a better solution if you want to like come up with a thesis or like a book or something, right? This is much better than using the notes. So for note taking, using the pages, it's very useful because you can always just organize everything like that. Keep in mind that you can still draw if you wish. Like if you tap on the picture icon in the top bar, you also have the drawing section where you get a window. You can use your finger or Apple Pencil, and all of the color and like pen controls are at the bottom, so you can just add whatever you want and it will be added as a picture directly into your document. So it's very useful and it just works really nice if you ask me, right? And obviously you can also add the charts and graphs and tables and all of the other features which you can explore, and these are simply not available inside of the Notes app. So let me know below in the comments if there are some specific things which you would like to get more information about. Just leave that below as a comment. I might make an updated video about it, and most definitely subscribe to this channel because I publish a lot of videos about the Pages and the iPad, so you can see so many different like tutorials and whatnot. So go ahead and do that and you'll never miss anything. Thanks a lot for watching, your support, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one in the future.